Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I hope you are doing well. We bring you the most fascinating facts about money. We all use money every day, but how much do we really know about it? In this video, we will be revealing some of the most intriguing and surprising facts about money that you probably never knew before. Fact number 1. The world's most expensive coin is the 1933 Double Eagle, a $20 gold coin that was never released to the public. Only 20 of these coins were made, and they were confiscated by the US government and melted down. One of the coins was smuggled out of the mint and sold for $7.59 million in 2002. Fact number 2. Did you know that the largest bill ever printed was a $100,000 bill? This bill was printed in the United States in 1934 and was used for transactions between Federal Reserve banks. Unfortunately, this bill was never used by the general public and was only used for transactions between banks. Fact number 3. Have you ever wondered why coins have ridges on their edges? The answer goes back to the days when coins were made from precious metals like gold and silver. People would shave off the edges of the coins to collect the precious metal. Ridges were then added to prevent this from happening. Fact number 4. You may have heard the saying, money doesn't grow on trees, but did you know that some countries have actually printed money on paper made from trees? In Thailand, for example, the 20 baht note is made from a material called polymer, which is derived from the fibers of the mulberry tree. Fact number 5. The first ATM was installed in London in 1967. It was invented by John Shepherd Barron and could only dispense a maximum of 10 pounds at a time. Today, there are over 3 million ATMs around the world. Fact number 6. The first coins were made in the 7th century BC in what is now Turkey. They were made of electrum, a naturally occurring alloy of gold and silver. The first paper money was used in China during the Tang dynasty in the 7th century CE. Fact number 7. Have you ever thought about why some currencies feature images of animals? The reason is that many animals have symbolic meanings in different cultures. For example, the Canadian dollar features an image of a loon, which is a symbol of wilderness and freedom. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of money. We hope you enjoyed learning these interesting facts and will share them with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. See you in the next video.